So we made it to this spot that honestly, we got quite the walk. You gotta walk through like this weird frozen path, right? It's definitely been a while. I'm only out here because I'm fishing for pike. That's the initial goal, but I think this time the plan is to just set up 2 tip-ups and I'll jig 1 for crappies, right? From what I remember, there should be crappies here, crappies and bluegills. It is a harder lake to fish, I'm not gonna lie. I think we can do something. I think we can figure something out and let's have a good time. So stay tuned. All right guys, so on the way here, the walk was so bad. I tipped over all my minnow stuff and everything's wet. Everything inside my sled is pretty much wet. So I'm gonna set up some tip up here in the shallow. We'll go from there. I met my buddy up here. He got the live scope, so we'll be chasing him for a little bit while all the flags are set up. So we have 3 shiners, so we'll see what we can do with that. We got, like I said, we got 3 shiners. We'll see how this goes. All right, we're fishing in 5 feet of water. It's not too bad. Jeez. It's running, look. It's that fast, dude.
I don't have much experience with anything.
And once you feel the weight on you, just go ahead, pull it, bro. Go. You go. Go, look, it's going right. So just feel the line. Yeah, just pick up the line. Oh, you feel weight?
Oh, yeah.
Pull. You got him?
Yeah.
Yep, that's good, dude. Oh, there's your marker. Here he comes. Oh, large one.
Oh, big old largie, dude.
Get him. I got you. Let's go. Dude, that's a big old largie. I just set this thing down, too. Look at this. Yeah, you good, bro.
Oh, my line's going. I saw like
yeah.
rolling on the floor.
That's all I was telling you, bro. You set these bait up, you get some big ass fish here. Yeah, that's all yours, man. Right, dude. All right, cool, dude. Damn, big it. Dude, let's go, dude. Nice, bro. That's a tank. Hell yeah, good job, dude.
Man, that shit was quick.
Yeah. Guys, unfreaking believable. I just dropped that shiner now. The flag goes up, right? And I told my buddy to come over. I'm like, bro, go ahead, pull it. He pulls out like a 3.5 pushing 4 pound largemouth, dude. I love sharing moments like that with people. That was so cool. And he said that was his first time pulling a flag fish too. That was awesome. Holy shit, big ass gill.
That's what I said, dude.
What the hell?
I caught like 4 of those there.
Really? Damn, that's a freaking 9-incher. This one's running. Oh, there you go. He's running.
Taking off.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, there's the mark. Another largemouth. Let's go, dude.
Same guy.
Oh, yours is way bigger. This one got dots. Nice. That's what's up, man. Nice, largemouth. Cool. Here we go. Nice, dude. Hopefully a 5-pounder stop by. Dang, on him. Dude's pulling drag. Oh, dude, I got one. What the heck? I looked at you. Got a fish on. Dude, this one's pulling. Is this a fish, bro? This is not a panfish. What is this, dude? You wanna move my transducer real quick? What is this?
I don't know.
It's pretty heavy.
I caught a largemouth earlier.
Yeah? My boy's heavy, dude. Oh my god, that's not a panfish, bro.
Yeah, it's a pike, dude.
It's a pike? Oh shit.
There you go.
Dude, suspended as heck. Oh my god, that's a big ass bluegill tugging like that.
That's a state record, dude. Yeah,
It's a pike, dude. I see his nose. Oh. There you are, buddy. What are you doing up here? Yeah, look at that. Oh, we got a nice little shiny pike for us. Not too bad. Maybe that's why those fish are schooling around so damn hard. This dude's here. See ya. Yeah, bluegill. Still very nice. Much respected. back down.
The one that's cruising.
Yeah, there's these two bigger ones right here. Oh, he's coming fast. You saw that?
Yeah, he's gonna take it, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, I saw that one. It's a nice one, dude.
Nice one?
I think so. I think it's a crappie.
Oh,
yo.
yeah, bro.
Big crappie?
Oh, yeah.
Con nada. Con nada. At least you know to eat meat, yo.
I knew these were crappie, man. These
Yeah,
picky
they're
ones.
way too damn picky to be bluegills.
I mean, they're not finicky, though. That's a good thing.
Yeah, they're crushing it. Alright, go here. Man, guys, that was pretty darn cool. Like right off the bat, as I was unloading, like old time buddy, friend, just play volleyball with. He happened to be there just for the morning run, and I started getting cold. It was time to get off for a little bit, get some lunch. I'm here at Quick Trip. Got my all-time favorite boneless wings, guys. Boneless. Look at that. Jeez, that looks so good. And they didn't have a spork or a fork. They just had a spoon. So now I gotta deal with the spoon. I ran out of shiners. I came up to DNS Bait and Tackle, the fly shop. Bought like a dozen. We're gonna hang out till dark. It's very bright. Hold on, let me put this on. There you go. I'm catching everything today. So I'm anticipating and hoping that the evening bite is even better. So make sure you guys stick around. Well, the good news is we got new baits. And there's people coming off of you guys, so that's good. Really lively shiners this time. Super lively. So they survive. There you go. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, big gill, oh my gosh. Big old gill. Jeez. Look at that thing. Man, those are plates, dude. Color on this not the prettiest, but still a very respected fish. Good release. Much better. I had to go get my pad. My knees. It's killing me. There you go. Death stick. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. That's just a fighter. Oh my gosh. Bro. And my flag is up. Hold on, guys. Hold on. My flag is up. Fast. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, got some nice weight towards my mark. Oh my gosh. That is a freaking 4-pounder. Oh my gosh. Bro. Bro. Oh my gosh. There's a big bass. Oh my gosh. Hey dude. Can you get a picture for me? Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, cool, dude. I trust you, man. Should be good.
Yeah, check it out.
I am DYang, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. What's your name?
I'm Patrick.
Patrick?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Patrick. Thank you, man.
That's a hard.
That's a nice fish. Oh, okay. Let's do go. Go back. Go ahead. Wow, dude. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. There you go. Okay. I need to calm down. Like, I'm freaking out because that was just crazy, guys. I'm talking about 2 freaking big fish at once. Man, what a freaking absolute awesome day of fishing. Wow, I just can't believe it. I'm gonna name that big bass Patrick because Patrick over there, he says he's crushing the bluegills, and he's the one who took that picture for me. So shout out to you, Patrick, for helping me out. Man. There we go. Death stick. It's a nice fish. I think it's a crappie. Nope, bluegill. Just a fighter gill. Super suspended. Big guy going back. Oh gosh. the loader right here. Oh my god, it's a bluegill. It's not that big, but it's a fighter. Jeez. Insane, dude. It's a bluegill. Oh my god, it's a tank. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Dude. My goodness. This is massive. My goodness. 8-inch hole. See ya, buddy. There we go. That's a nice surffish. It's a very good fighter. Oh my gosh. It's another tanker, dude. Wow. Look at that. Goodness. Absolute tank. Going back. See ya. There we go. Whoa. That's a nice freaking gill. Jeez. I can't even hold him. The back of that thing. My goodness. See ya. Alright guys, so I know it's kind of dark. You guys can't see me. I'll see you guys back at home. We'll talk when I get home. So stay tuned.